Yeah, despite being so busy in real life, but it doesn't mean, you know, sometimes I can make streams despite being so busy. Well, I make streams pretty rarely. I mean, the last stream I streamed on this channel is around, let me just check that. It's around June 27th. Yep, last year, 27th of June 2025. That's, I think that's around 5 months or, you know. But, anyways, without a further, I'm just here to, because turns out I am waiting for something. That's why I'm streaming despite that. I mean, I'm still making my video. Let me just share that. Okay, I'm making my video as you can see this bit window. But at the same time, oh no no, I just accidentally showed that one. Okay, never mind. It's actually just the Discord window. My God, my bad. So going back, so I actually made my game like since late April 2025. This game, yep, I can also play this. So let's start with the red one. Honestly, I think it will work better if it's on a mobile. I mean, this is for touch screens actually. Though you can still play it on PCs if you want to. Yeah, that new characters are included as well. Oh, snap! Okay, let's go to the blue one. Not gonna lie, but a lot of people choose him over the red one for whatever reason. Okay, that's kind of close, but let's see. Okay, I rescued 9. Oh, snap, not that. Yeah, you better not touch that fire otherwise. Okay, whatever. Oh, hello there. So, what else can we, you know, do in here? Well, anyways, I'm gonna make my video for now on while still streaming. And by the way, I have to show something to you guys. Let me just set it up. So I hope my camera will. Yep, it's pretty flip. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be visible there. But the good news is it also works with styluses, which is a good news. I never said it before that it actually supports stylus input, not just the touch input and the mouse input for PCs. Yeah, touch and stylus for mobile phones, while mouse and keyboard for PCs, right? Well, let's, you know, hi guys. So, yep, I played my game. So, what else can we do next? Well, I think let me just find some things interesting there. Okay, I guess we're gonna browse the dev C++ thingy. There we go. Dev C++. We also can change the theme. Amazing. I mean, I'm using this as an IDE for making C++ programs. I kind of like this UI, by the way. Kind of reminds me of something, especially with this. I'm using Windows 8. Yeah, just call it Windows 8 because that's how it looked like. So here is the IDE itself. So yeah, you don't memorize codes, but you can just use Google, by the way. C++. Okay. So first we're gonna start with the hash include and then IO stream and then here int main with these stuffs std out what hey okay never mind that's just he yep he and then and don't forget the return 0. So we're gonna save this, by the way. I mean save this. Execute, run. Oh, nope. I think I made something wrong with this. Let me just check why is this happening. Okay, let's try. Yep, not good. I think this is a problem. Return 0. Maybe this without spaces. Yep, that didn't help. Or maybe it doesn't belong here, so I'm gonna move this to this. Execute, run. So let me just check what's happening. Oh, I know it. I forgot to put the ML bug list. Yes. Nope. STD. Oh my god, I forgot this using namespace. And then this is when. Yes, I made it. I made this. Hee hee. So we're gonna make more stuffs in here, like, you know, let us say we want to prompt the user to make an input like such. So we're gonna clean this off. Okay, so be sure we didn't, you know. So let's say int he. So this will be variable for name at the stdc out and your name and stdcin he. Okay, I have to put those spaces as well. Don't just without spaces, by the way. And yep, just If you're wondering why it says C out, that means console output, well, CIN means console input, that's why. And then STB. Oh no, that's too much. C out. Hello. Okay, don't forget that. Your variable he. How are you today? Okay, never mind. STD and L. Let's try executing this. I think I have to compile this and run. Okay, that's not good. I mean, yeah, we lack that, you know. So yep, that's what we wanted. Let's type my name. Okay, we shouldn't have that zero thingy, but for whatever reason, it just appears for whatever reason. So, oh no. Oh, I think this is not int. That's actually string. That's why. Okay, that's not how it's supposed to look like because we don't have spacing. So add that and compile and run. Okay, again, we have to fix this one a bit. So sometimes you have to manually do this one, that's why. And congratulations. It actually works as what's the desirable results. Okay, enough with the screen sharing again. Well, yep, he sucks anyways. So while I'm making a video, I can also share screen that one, by the way. Excuse me. Not this one, but this. So here, I mean, in this video, I think we're gonna, it's about exploring the outer space. So at this part, we have, I mean, the characters are gonna run. Okay, I'm gonna set an action. Okay. I'm gonna change the movement, by the way, because I said run, not walk. So I'm gonna fix that later. Here we go with it annoying. Yeah, my drives are full, by the way. That's why it's prompting me to, Yep, that's right. But it looks kind of cool, by the way. So, okay, we're gonna do this. And then I'm gonna clear this one because, I can't, render that part next for whatever reasons. That's why. Yep, you remember that sound effect by the way. That's why. And then we're gonna go to this. Yeah, this looks like sci-fi. And then we're gonna use this. Yeah, just to save up some time because first of all, I used those characters before, that's why. And I'm gonna set the expression to happy because that's blah blah blah. No, I don't have to check my. No. Oh my god, I'm laughing for no reason because of that. Bay, I, Bay, are you? That's for this kind of fun. This funny word. I have to type it by the way. It's just funny, not gonna lie. But yeah, yeah, whatever the pronunciation is, Bayu, Bayau. Yeah, who cares? It's just funny as hell. That's why. Okay, moving back. Okay, is there anything going on? Sometimes it kind of lags, that's why it's taking up some time. Hello? Yeah, I just accidentally pressed that Windows plus P. Nah, never mind. I'm just kind of impatient sometimes, that's why. Okay, it's been like a while now. Ah, perfect. I can actually sometimes press the letters if that takes forever. Like, it's taking 100 years. God damn it. Please don't lag, please. For the love of God, please don't lag. Are you gonna lag? Okay, perfect. And I'm gonna make these characters talk as well because. So as of now, I'm using the all TTS. It's actually funny. No, you're making me laugh, not gonna lie. I swear it's funny. That's
How are
funny.
you guys doing here?
And my friend's TT is Brian. So I'm gonna set that to Brian.
We are excited.
I don't know his TTS, that's why I just guess what it is, whatever it is. But honestly, I still cannot move on from that funny word, by the way. I keep saying that. No, 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 not here. I mean, yeah. No, this is funniest. Okay, never mind. It's just ruining my attention span.
Doing good so far.
I'm not sure that if that's his own TTS, maybe not. He better tell me what TTS he's using. So here we're gonna go back to that Space Citizens theme. Okay, I think this one is the next scene for that. But I'm gonna delete these three characters because we need another character. So going to Comedy World, which is the default team. Thank God it is. So I'm gonna use maybe which one fits there. Okay, I'm just gonna end up using him, Caden David, in where is Zeus Caden's avatar? Oh, there he is, finally. So I'm gonna go back to the Space Citizens team. Okay, so I'm gonna set Zeus Caden as, the one who's manipulating that engine while Caden David is his own assistant. How clever is that? Okay, another lag, lag abomination. I don't think this is my computer because I ever tried using the same software in my school computer as well. Not even a surprise. That's the same stuff. I'm pretty bored. I'm gonna end the stream if I ever crash out on this lag. Ah, great. Oh, finally. You've gotten better this time. I hope you keep this up. It's pissing me off, by the way. Wait, my classmate trying to chat me. Oh, that's our activity. Ah, great. I think I'm gonna end the stream now because of this. No way. I don't think I'm gonna end it because it's fun. Ah, come on. I'm bored on this lag. I'm just too impatient. I'm just gonna say, it's over. Bye bye.